Hey guys, hope you are doing well today. The market is continuing to pumping. Bitcoin is consolidating about 51,000 US dollar and touching 52,000, and few altcoins are running wild. So I'm Mike Dankler from CorionX and bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, DeFi, and NFT gems every day to keep you updated and educated, because this is one of our main goal at CorionX, that supporting crypto adoption with education and knowledge. So let's check our favorite bubble chart and see what the market is doing today. So let's go and share my chart and see what's going on. Yes, so you see few altcoins are in red, just consolidating, but most of them rallied really well. And we see Quant 27%, XLM 8%, MDX 17%, Theta 10%, XRP almost 8%, FTT 18%, Link 8, Phantom 15, HT 10%, RV 15, Rune, Torchain 13, Solana 18. What's going on with Solana? And oh my God, OMG, 20%. And also CRO is moving, and Algorand, TFU doing well. So let's check our favorite indicator, the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. And padam, where are we now today? Yes. So the index just touched 78 and we are in the extreme greed zone. And yes, so after a few weeks of greediness, just returned to extreme greed. And as you know, in the past 1 year, there was almost 3 months that we were in the extreme fear zone, and now it turned to really bullish and greedy in the past 2 weeks. And as you know, when extreme fear, it can be the sign that investors are too worried, and that could be a good buying opportunity. But when investors are getting ready, that due for a correction, but hopefully not for now, because just we are here for 2 weeks. Let's go to our first news, and everything's about altcoins. Bitcoin dominance is falling, so Bitcoin market dominance dips down to 40%, while Ethereum and other crypto market caps swell. So this is huge. Why Bitcoin price have risen in value during the last 2 weeks? Bitcoin dominance levels have slipped to lows not seen since the June 6 low of 41, and the dip 38.8 on May 17, 2021. Depending on the crypto market price aggregator leverage, Bitcoin dominance has been between also around 40. Meanwhile, as Bitcoin dominance has dropped significantly, crypto asset market like Ethereum, Cardano, Binance Coin, and Tether have seen market dominance. In terms of overall valuation, steadily increase among the 10,000 plus coins in existence today. So we have more than 10,000 coins out there. As Bitcoin slides to the 40 range, Ethereum climbs to 20 of the crypto economy. So we will check out this chart on CoinMarketCap. And yes, also we have this interesting chart that's showing us the market cap. So to flippening Bitcoin, Ethereum should grow. It's almost it must almost double to flippening Bitcoin. Trading volume, it's 58% of total of Bitcoin's trading volume, and the mining reward is higher at Ethereum, so 120% with this. Okay, so what else do we have? Also other coins like Solana, ADA, BNB, USD, XRP, Dogecoin are increasing in market cap, and also Phantom, Kusama, IOTA, IOST. So all altcoins are increasing and taking the space away a little bit from Bitcoin. So I want to show you this coin market cap chart. So let's see this. So, okay, we are here. Let's check the altcoin dominance. So this is the Bitcoin. And as you see, in 2015, Bitcoin dominated more than 90% of the market. Ethereum was below 1%, and there was no other coins, maybe just XRP. And in 2017 bull run, Bitcoin dominance came down from 63 down to 32, and then started to increase during the bear market. And now, when Bitcoin did its rally in beginning of this year, then altcoin starting to pump, and now we see that the Bitcoin dominance from 69 just came down to 40. And as you see, so almost 18% of Ethereum, and Cardano 4.3%, Binance Coin 3.8%, Tether 3, XRP 2.5, Solana 1.3, Dogecoin 1.15. Let's make this bigger, then we will see this year that what's going on this year. Okay, so Bitcoin dominance is just decreasing, and yeah, Ethereum is at 20 right now. Cardano 4, Solana 1.6. Yeah, so good to see that. Also Polkadot. So this is about altcoins. Let's go back to the news. And as we have in the other news, this altcoin roundup, time to rotate. The data suggests traders are shifting from NFTs to DeFi. Timing the market is near impossible, but these 5 metrics can help traders identify when a sector rotation is underway. So shifting from NFTs to DeFi, or back and forth, or also doing DeFi on NFTs. Yeah, so there was this CryptoPunks, Mutant Ape, Bored Ape Yacht Club, and all this NFT craze. NFT marketplace OpenSea surpassed 4 billion in total sales in the past months. And also in the first quarter 2021, decentralized finance protocols are their related token were the focal points for investors, but this sector cooled off in March as the NFT market underwent its first bull market. Now it appears that the tide has begun to change, and the profits made from NFT trading could be making their way back into altcoins and DeFi markets. Interesting. So the profit is going back and forth. So the capital rotation might be underway from NFTs into DeFi sector. Large and small cap DeFi tokens rally. Okay, DeFi Perp, an index on the FTX cryptocurrency exchange that comprises a basket of 25 of top DeFi-related cryptocurrencies, including Maker, DOT, Solana, Curve, Uniswap, SushiSwap, and data suggests that DeFi Perp has been on the rise since bottoming out at 5,331 on July 20th and rallied 138% to daily high at almost 13,000. So good to see that. Okay, so funds are beginning to flow back into the DeFi ecosystem just as the daily trading volumes and price floors for NFTs are on the decline. So NFT prices are cooling off. So if we see NFT prices, the price floor reached high of 1 Ether on August 29th and has since pulled back to 0.5. So this is almost 50% decrease in the NFT price, but you see it's quite volatile because on 8th of August just went up and then came down to the 1/3 and also then went up 4 times and then came back. So it's really volatile, and also depending on which collection you are observing. Active users and transactions on DeFi platform on DeFi platforms surge. Yeah, so that's good sign. The DeFi ecosystem continues to grow in the steadily increasing number of DeFi users has over time. So we see here, this is the total number of DeFi users. It's almost 1.3 million. And I'm not sure this is just Ethereum DeFi or DeFi in total. Okay, so steady yields and non-hassle taking staking. So this is what investors are looking for. The longer-term nature of earning a yield in DeFi via staking, providing liquidity or locking tokens on protocols, has arguably led to a decline in users switching Bitcoin multiplier wallets and paying high gas fees to constantly move assets. Okay. Newcomers to the market are attracted to its lower risk opportunities. And a 4,000 ETH signals a rotation in play. Another development that could signal a sector rotation towards DeFi is the rising price of Ethereum. So we know that Ethereum reached 4,000 and now consolidating a little bit below it. Okay, so Ethereum has rallied 125% since reaching a low at 1,700 on July 20th, with its most recent surge of 23%, pushing its price from 3,100 to 4,000 US dollar within 3 days. DeFi protocols, the top DeFi protocols located on Ethereum, the top altcoin, is one of the main assets in DeFi ecosystem and is widely used to stake and purchase other tokens. DeFi total value locked hits a new all-time high, 171 billion, almost 200 million is locked in DeFi. So this is huge and also reached new all-time high because it's higher than it was in May. Okay, it's indicating that the rise in total value locked has more to do with the rising value of DeFi tokens and the increased use of stablecoins. Why not? Why the NFT boom might not be over? Multiplied data points suggest that the bullish momentum has reached an exhaustion point, and the current run-up is in altcoins and DeFi prices is a signal that the rotation is the early stages. Okay, so good to know that, and I hope you will take a look on DeFi projects, and also definitely you should check out CorionX DeFi. CorionX has DeFi also on Binance Smart Chain and also on the Ethereum chain, so you can provide liquidity on Uniswap and also on PancakeSwap, and you can make a nice returns with 330 APR and providing liquidity for CorionX ETH pools and also to CorionX Binance Smart Chain pools, and also there is a bridge. You can use our bridge to switch your tokens over the networks. Okay, let's go to our first news. Uniswap Labs under investigation by SEC, says the report. The SEC has reportedly launched a probe into the developer team behind Uniswap, the largest decentralized crypto exchange in the industry. Yeah, we know that Uniswap is an exchange for Ethereum-based tokens, and this is one of the biggest decentralized finance application, and SEC is seeking more information. And yeah, so what else do we have? Okay, the company should commit it below. There is a 24 hours trading volume on Uniswap, 1.3 billion in trading volume. And okay, let's quote this. Speaking to what was this, Washington Journal, so I don't know what, VSG, Washington Journal, last month, Gensler argued that DeFi projects such as Uniswap could ultimately fall under the purview of regulators. He also suggested that There is a group of people involved in DeFi who write the open source software, but that software also comes equipped with governance and fees, as well as some incentive structure for those promoters and sponsors in the middle of this. Gensler also suggested that DeFi projects could violate not only the US securities law, but commodities and banking laws as well. So, guys, the US securities law is, I think it's more than 80 years old, or maybe 90. So I don't know if it's also up to date to this internet and online economy. So definitely should make things compliant to regulations, but also regulations should be updated to how the world is developing. The next piece of news also SEC related. SEC boss tells EU Parliament crypto and fintech could be as disruptive as the internet. Yes, so sounds good. Gary Gensler promoted cooperation between Europe and the United States in seeking to regulate decentralized finance technologies. So I see that they really want to regulate DeFi. Maybe they also want to have DeFi to grow because it's really something that can help and also seed the existing financial system and engage them in the future of finance. Quote, I think the transformation we are living through right now could be every bit as big as the internet in 1990s. Yeah, so definitely. Gensler highlighted the 2.1 trillion cryptocurrency markets as a truly global asset class starting. It has no borders or boundaries. It operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So they are highlighting the advantages of crypto. Okay, yes, they need some regulations. Energy efficient proof of stake crypto. Okay. So they want to develop robust public policy frameworks to balance supporting innovation in crypto assets and decentralized finance with maintaining strong investors protection. So actually it seems that they want to support the decentralized finance. Gensler highlighted that DeFi platforms provide direct access to millions of investors without the presence of a broker mediating between the public and the protocol, but pointed out this came with big risk. He said that DeFi and crypto have been rife with fraud, scams, and abuse, and emphasized the vulnerability of investing public in the absence of clear investors' protection obligations on these platforms. So this is every week we see at least one DeFi hacks, and also this is how these hackers are breaking the codes. So if SEC wants to regulate this or doing something, that I think they will, they need really support the white hackers and also engineers to review smart contracts. Gensler characterized stablecoins as facilitating those seeking to sidestep a host of public policy goals, including anti-money laundering safeguards and international sanctions. Okay, you have heard about Facebook DIM, but we already have an existing stablecoin market worth 116 billion, he said. Okay, so interesting. Hope we will see something good coming for DeFi and this market. Let's check what Bitcoin is doing. As you see, Bitcoin price on a weekly looking really bullish, and also on a daily we are in this rising wedge and now consolidating about 51,000. And as I mentioned earlier, that I saw a resistance here. Bitcoin broke the resistance yesterday, and even maybe, yes, so it broke yesterday our resistance, and also, yes, almost today. So good to see that we are breaking these levels. Yeah, it broke yesterday and now consolidating about 21,000. and also touched 51,000 US dollar, and also touched 52,000 US dollar. So this is bullish for me, and I think then Bitcoin can run up to 58,000 from here, but we will see. Most of the other altcoins are doing well. BNB just facing this 500,000 US dollar resistance. Bitcoin dominance is falling, is at 41. So definitely this is supporting the altcoin rally. And as you see, the dominance is just falling, and this is supporting altcoins very, very well. Yes. Okay. So Link starting to, yeah, so Link broke up nicely, great. Matic did a nice movement during the weekend, but now consolidating. Solana is continuing to go higher, is at 160, so insane. Just consolidating for a few hours and rallying. So I don't know when will Solana stop, at which level, but definitely to buy in, it's even there is another correction that we can say that, okay, this is a nice correction to buy in. So Solana is running insane. XLM started to move up. That looks really bullish for me, as XLM also was just traded really at the low levels, but this is against BTC. Yes, almost everything looks good. Let's check Uniswap if there is a price drop because this news. There is no price drop, just a consolidation, and also it seems that Uniswap is breaking these resistance levels and also form this nice W pattern. So, guys, this is for today. Please smash the like, push the bell, notification all, and subscribe on the channel, and also just join our Telegram channel. You will find valuable informations and updates here about CorionX and the Money in the Right Direction movement, and you will find crypto news every day. So smash the like. Thank you for being here. See you tomorrow. Bye.